Taking ownership of our CEU professional learning and growth is crucial for educators, and we want to make this process easy for you during NCBOLD. It is imperative that you follow each step to earn CEU credits, as you will not be in person to sign a sign-in sheet. You will need to be prepared for the attendance process prior to attending NCBOLD. It is imperative that you download the Performance Matters mobile app, which should be on a second device like an iPad or phone. This can be downloaded from the Apple or Google Play Store. After you have downloaded the app, you will need to register using your NC credentials. Notice the very important password, KEXU4S, which is case sensitive. You will need this password to finalize the registration process once the app has successfully been downloaded. Once you have completed the registration process, all data will be synced with your NCSIS account. All NCBOLD sessions that you have registered for will be located under My Courses. You will want to go ahead and sign in to the Performance Matters app at the beginning of each day of NCBOLD, July 21st through 22nd. That way you can be prepared at the end of each session to record your attendance. On July 21st and 22nd, at the conclusion of each session, the presenter will reveal a QR code at the end of the session for attendance purposes. Each QR code is unique to each session, and you can scan the QR codes with the camera on your phone or iPad using the Performance Matters app on your device. In the mobile app, you'll tap Scan Section Code to scan your QR code. The QR scanner will appear, and you will just scan the QR code. A pop-up will confirm that you are checked in for the class and that you are marked as attended. If you'd like to, you can read more information about your session by clicking on the quotation marks. CEUs will be recorded by August 15th. Remember, the QR code is sacred to each session, and once you scan the QR code with the mobile app and you've registered correctly for the session, your attendance and completion of the course will be noted. Thank you for attending NCBOLD.